Hi, welcome to CAD-Tech. For today's tutorial, I will teach you how to make an isometric drawing using AutoCAD. Isometric is a 3D representation of an object in 2D form. I have here a few samples of isometric drawings, and you can attach the image to AutoCAD by typing the command attach, just what I've uh, taught you in our previous tutorial, but what I will do now is I will just drag the image into AutoCAD. Hi, welcome to CAD-Tech. For today's tutorial, I will teach you how to make an isometric drawing using AutoCAD. Isometric is a 3D representation of a 2D objects in 2D form. So we will attach a drawing into our AutoCAD. I have a few samples of isometric drawing, and instead of typing attach into the command line, I will just drag the image into AutoCAD. Then create a rectangle. You can adjust it by clicking the blue dots or blue squares. And then let's change the units into meters. Precision is 0.00, and then when it's okay, press enter. If you are using a higher version of AutoCAD, all you need to do is to turn on the ISO draft, and then the UCS icon will change, and this is called isoplane. So you can change isoplane by pressing F5. If you do not have ISO draft in your status bar, you can just go to Object Snap, right click, go to Object Snap Settings, go to Snap and Grid tab, and then turn on the isometric snap, and then press OK. Make sure also that your ortho is turned on, F8. So let's start with line 1.25, 4.25, 1.25, and then 1, 1, 1.25, 0.25, 1, 1, and then, oh, sorry, it's 1.25 rather, and then 1. Now, let's proceed to the other part. Press F5 to change the isoplane. So this is 1.5. You can just copy the line since it's all the same. And then you can also copy this part. Copy and point, paste point, click, and then enter. And let's just trim those excess lines. And then press enter. The next thing that we will do is we will add gradient to our drawing. So I've already chosen a color. So select, enter. Again, let's repeat. The other part, and then press enter. Now, when you're done, you need to turn off the ISO draft, or if you want to go back to rectangular, you just need to object snap, click, right click, go to snap and grid, and then click or select the rectangular snap, and then you will go back to the UCS icon. I will teach you in our next tutorial on how to put dimensions into isometric drawings. So there you go, it's very easy. If you have any comments, suggestions, just comment down below, and please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and God bless!